Hello, pretty friends! Are you ready for math? For math today, we will learn how to write the number 5. Let's start today's lesson with a game. This game is called How Many in the Bag? To get us ready for the game, let's see if we can name these numbers. Are you ready? What number is this? 6. That's right. What number is this? 7. Awesome job. What number is this? 8. Very nice. What number is this? 9. Good job. And what number is this? 10. Good job, friends. You know your numbers. I guess you're ready to play the game with me. This is how we play the game. I'm going to show you a bag with different items. This bag has all crayons. Now, if the bag has 10 items in it, we put our hands on our head, just like this. Can you do it? Yeah, but if the bag does not have 10 items in it, we stand still, just like this. Like statues. Can you do it? Yeah, let's do this. Let's start off with this bag of crayons. Do you think there are 10 crayons in this bag? If you think there are 10 crayons in this bag, put your hand on your head just like this. But if you do not think that there are 10 crayons in this bag, stand very still, just like this. Show me. Well, let's see if there are 10 crayons or not. Are you ready to count? Let's do this. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many crayons were in the bag? 10. Now, did you put your hand on your head? Or did you stand still? That's all right. We're gonna play another round. Are you ready for the next bag of items? Let's see. Glue sticks. Do you think there are 10 glue sticks in the bag? If you think so, put your hand on your head. If you don't think so, stand very still. Show me your guesses. Do you think there are 10? Let's count for sure. Here we go. Count with me, friends. 1, 2. Oopsie. Let me put them down here. 2 was our last number. 3. Very good. 4. 5, 6, and no more. How many items were in the bag? Just 6. That's right. Now, did you put your hand on your head or did you stand still? If you did put your hand on your head, that's fine. We're going to do another round. If you stood still just like this, good job. Are you ready for the next round? Now I have a bag of markers. If you think there are 10 markers in the bag, put your hand on your head, just like this. If you do not think there are 10 crayons in this bag, stand very still. Show me your guesses. Now let's see how many markers are in this bag. Count with me, boys and girls. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's more, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 markers in the bag. Now, did you put your hand on your head just like this, or did you stand still? If you did put your hand on your head, good job. If you stood still, that's all right. We're gonna have another game. Are you ready? Our next bag has toys. I have a bag of toys. If you think that there are 10 toys inside this bag, put your hand on your head. If you don't think so, stand very still. Show me your guesses. I see that. Well, now I can't wait to see how many toys are in this bag. Let's count it together. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's no more. So close. How many toys were in the bag? Just 9. Now, if you put your hand on your head just like this, if you stood still, you guessed it right. Good job. Now, boys and girls, if you did not get everything correct, that's fine. No big deal. It's just a game. Maybe next time. But you all did wonderful. Thanks for playing this game with me. Now it's time to write the number 5. Boys and girls, go grab a pencil or a crayon and a piece of paper and let's do this together. Or if you want to do it in the air, that's just fine. This is how we write the number 5. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Let's do it again. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Are you getting it? Let's practice some more. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Let's do it again. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Let's practice one last time. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Good job, boys and girls. Boys and girls, our math lesson for today has actually 2 problem sets for us to do together. The first problem set is right here on my screen. Let's do this. Let's look at the set of squares, cubes right here. You see that? The very top set. Now, Let's see. How many orange cubes do you see? Just one. Let's write number 1 in this rectangle where it says orange. 1. Let's write it. Do you remember how to do it? Let's say the rhyme together. Top to bottom, then I'm done. I just wrote the number 1. Very nice. This rectangle is for the yellow squares. Let's count the yellow squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many yellow squares did we count? 4. Good job. Let's write number 4 together. Here we go. Down the side to the right some more. Top to bottom, I've written a 4. Very nice. Now let's look at the next set of squares. How many orange squares do you see? You're right, there are 2. 1, 2 orange squares. Let's write number 2 right here. Are you ready? Here we go. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right. I wrote a 2. Good job. How many yellow squares? There's 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow squares. Let's write number 3 right here. Are you ready? Let's do it. Backward C, backward C. That is how I write a 3. Good job. Now let's look at the next set of cubes. Here we go. How many orange cubes do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. You're right. There are 3 orange cubes. Let's write number 3 again. Here we go. Backward C, backward C. That is how I write a 3. Very nice. Let's see how many are yellow cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2. How many did we count? 2. Let's write number 2. Here we go. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right. I wrote a 2. Very good. Now let's do the one on the bottom. You ready? How many orange squares do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let's write number 4 together. Here we go. Down the side to the right some more. Top to bottom, I've written 4. Very good. How many yellow squares? Just 1. Let's write 1 right here. Top to bottom, then I'm done. I just wrote the number 1. Good counting, boys and girls, and writing too. Now let's do the very bottom. You ready? Oh, let's count and see how many orange squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many orange squares did we count? 5. Very nice. Let's write number 5 right here. When we just learned how to write it. Let's say the rhyme together. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Very nice, boys and girls. Now, how many yellow squares do you see? 0, 0, nothing, no yellow squares. All right, let's write 0 right here. You ready? Curve from top and be a hero. Close the loop to make a 0. Very nice, boys and girls. We just finished problem set 1. I guess we're now ready to do problem set 2. Here we go. Now here's another problem set that we have to do together. Let's see how many cubes are in this picture. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cubes did we count? 5. Very nice. Let's see if we can write number 5 in these rectangles. We just learned the rhyme, boys and girls. Let's say the rhyme together. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Let's practice some more. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Let's do it again. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Let's do it again. Down the side, around a hive. Give it a hat. I've written 5. Very nice, boys and girls. Now let's see if we can answer this question. How many yellow cubes? How many yellow cubes do you see up here? 2. Very nice. Let's see if we can write number 2 in this rectangle. Do you remember how to say the rhyme for number 2? Let's say it. Here we go. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right, I wrote a 2. Very good. Now, how many orange cubes? How many orange cubes do you see up here? You're right. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 orange cubes. Let's write number 3. Here we go. Backward C, backward C. That is how I write a 3. Very good, boys and girls. Good job. That's it for today, boys and girls. Continue to learn how to count and write your numbers, okay? I will see you tomorrow. Bye.